G'day everyone. We've got a problem. Outside is about 40 degrees. Inside we've got air conditioning, which is about 25 degrees. And inside the fridge is below 5 degrees. So what's the issue? Well, the answer is cheese and mushrooms. I might have an answer for our range of temperature problems. Let's have a look. I've been on the interwebs again, and I saw this. Well, actually, I'll show you. It's down here. Because we've got a problem finding the right temperature for our cheese, and as a side effect, we've also got a similar issue with the grain spawn we're storing for the mushrooms. Not ready to put them out yet. So I went and found a small fridge. This one comes from a company called Kogan. You'll probably see that on there somewhere. No? Yep, Kogan. It's a 43 litre bar fridge. What I'm hoping to do is, first of all, I'll run it at the absolute minimum that it can run at, see what temperature it sits at. And if it's still too cold for the cheese maturing, I'm going to have a bit of a play with the thermostat and see if I can modify it. This wasn't expensive. I also don't expect it to be good quality. Nothing from Kogan is, but generally it's fairly cheap. So I'll put the price up there, but from memory it was $99 with free delivery. So let's get it out and have a look. I expect with Kogan it's going to be full of environmentally unfriendly packaging. You could think of Kogan as an Australian Temu that does appliances. Yep, non-recyclable foam. More non-recyclable foam and plastic bags. And one fridge. So I'm going to lift this down so I can get the fridge out. Oh, actually there's one clever thing. The box lifts off. The box lifts. Why can't I say that? The box lifts off. It's almost like a Dr. Seuss rhyme. Okay. Let's just lift that out of there, being as awkward as we always are. More foam and plastic. And here, one fridge. And have a look inside. There we are. A couple of little trays. Our instruction book, propaganda, warranty card, a big freezer for ice cubes, which hopefully we won't need. So we've untaped everything. I have no idea what that is. But a basic sort of simple fridge. We're going to go and get our thermometer, turn this on, and see what temperature it gets to. So we've powered it on. Here is our thermostat, and you can't see it very well, but in there somewhere is a pointer, which I'll mark. Now we can see where the arrow is, and we turn that all the way around to there, our minimum. So we'll take our cheese thermometer, which is currently showing about 25 degrees. We will pop it in here. Oops, we'll try and pop it in somewhere where it doesn't fall through. Yep, that's getting cold. Close it up and let it sit for half an hour. We shall return. Now let's get our cheese cave into place and we'll show you the temperature. Luckily it's not heavy. So So putting it on top of this freezer, which is getting replaced in a little while. There we go. Beautiful, even opens the right way. Okay, now we'll just level it. Okay, that's nicely leveled. Let's get things in there. The reason we bought this is I'm going to play around with trying to keep it above normal temperature for my cheese, which we'll put in the door. Oops, very light. So we're going to put our cheese in here. But the mushroom spawn that I'm not quite ready to use yet can also go in here. Down here would be good. So I'll get the rest of that. And this little fella will be mushroom and cheese cave. Right, I've loaded it up. It's been sitting for a few minutes there on the minimum setting, warmest setting, whatever you want to call it. Let's see what temperature we've got. Not bad, 8.7. It's better than a normal fridge, but it's still just a touch cold. Tell me what you think. You think I'm going to be able to modify it to sit around 10 degrees? Interesting story, which in one way is a bit of luck and a bit of bad luck. The back fridge, our reserve fridge, has decided it's not going to work very well at the moment. So I've got someone coming out to fix it. And I'm going to ask him, can I adjust this to be at a much higher temperature while he's here? So even though the fridge is broken down, and that's bad news, I get to ask an expert on how I can adjust the thermostat on here out of its normal range. Give us your feedback. Let us know what you think. Enjoy life. Catch you in the garden.